Let's drill down into the differences and similarities between the ITIL 4 Foundation Exam specification and the ITIL V3 Foundation Syllabus module topics, starting with services and service management. As you can see, both ITIL 4 and V3 cover services and service management. ITIL 4 Foundation introduces 4 dimensions of service management: organizations of people, information and technology, partners and suppliers, and value streams and processes. If you're familiar with ITIL V3, you know these are roughly equivalent to the 4 Ps of service management. ITIL 4 recasts these as dimensions versus Ps. A key difference is the pairing of information with technology and value streams with processes. These pairings better reflect the complete set of things to consider in any decision or action in service management, large or small, and better reflect today's organization's more data and value-driven operating models. ITIL 4 also introduces the service value chain with activities arranged in 6 parts: plan, improve, engage, design and transition, obtain, build and deliver and support. This value chain replaces the 5-part service lifecycle of ITIL V3 shown on the right. What you should see is that ITIL 4's plan is roughly equivalent to V3's strategy. Improve matches V3's continual service improvement phase. Engage is new and reflects a new emphasis on a better customer and user experience with products and services. Design and transition and obtain build are roughly equivalent to the design and transition phases in ITIL V3, and delivery and support is roughly equivalent to ITIL V3 service operation phase. Why make these changes? Well, when you look at how current organizations operate effectively, they tend to complete work in sprints in smaller, more frequent chunks informed by lots of feedback loops. So there shouldn't be much waterfall is distance between strategy and improvement. It should happen together and all go into the product backlog together.